Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Clash Royale theme on piano. We'll start with the very beginning, the iconic opening riff. For your left hand, play C sharp, F sharp, and G sharp. Your right hand will play C sharp and F arpeggiated. Remember to keep your playing slow and even, ensuring each note is clear and distinct. This foundational step is crucial for building the rest of the song. Next, let's focus on the main melody played by your right hand. You'll be playing 6 notes, starting 1 octave above middle C. The sequence is B flat, A, F, G, D, and then C. Practice these notes repeatedly until they feel natural and flow smoothly. This is the catchy part of the theme, so take your time to get it just right before moving on. Now let's add the left hand chords to complement your right hand melody. For the left hand, you'll primarily use 2 chords. E flat major, which consists of E flat, G, and B flat, and C major, which is C, E, and G. Play the E flat major chord twice, then follow with the C major chord once. Practice combining both hands slowly, ensuring the melody and chords align perfectly. To master the full theme, break it down into smaller, manageable sections. Practice each part until you're comfortable, then gradually increase your speed. Remember to add dynamics and expression to make your performance truly engaging. With consistent practice, you'll soon be able to play the entire Clash Royale theme confidently, impressing everyone with your piano skills. Keep practicing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.